If you're a green card holder planning to apply for U.S. citizenship, everything is about to change in February 2026. New dual citizenship rules are being introduced, and depending on where you're from, this could either make your journey easier or significantly more complicated. But citizens from 7 specific countries have a major advantage. Let me show you. Welcome back to Immigration Fresh Updates, your trusted source for breaking immigration news. Today's update is critical for every green card holder planning to become a U.S. citizen. Starting February 2026, new rules around dual citizenship recognition will take effect, and they're going to impact how USCIS processes naturalization applications. Some countries will see faster approvals and simplified processes, while others might face additional scrutiny and documentation requirements. The key factor? Your country of origin and its diplomatic relationship with the United States. In this video, I'm breaking down the 7 countries whose citizens will benefit most from these new dual citizenship rules. If you're from one of these nations, February 2026 could be your moment. Let's dive in. Number 7. Denmark. The transparency leader with simplified processing. Let's start with Denmark. Under the new February 2026 dual citizenship rules, Danish green card holders are positioned for some of the smoothest naturalization processes. Why? Because Denmark recently reformed its own dual citizenship laws and now fully recognizes dual nationality, a change that creates perfect alignment with U.S. policy. When USCIS processes naturalization applications, one factor they consider is whether your home country creates complications around dual citizenship. Denmark no longer does. This means Danish green card holders won't face the complicated renunciation processes or legal conflicts that applicants from some other countries encounter. Denmark's reputation for transparency and rule of law also works in your favor. Danish citizens are seen as low-risk applicants who integrate well into American society. The trust factor is incredibly high, which translates to faster background checks and fewer requests for additional documentation. The pathway is clear. If you're a Danish green card holder who's met the residency requirements, typically 5 years, or 3 if married to a U.S. citizen, your naturalization application will benefit from streamlined processing. Danish applicants consistently have some of the highest approval rates. Many Danish green card holders came to the U.S. through employment in renewable energy, pharmaceuticals, or design, industries where professional documentation is thorough. This organizational culture means you're likely already well prepared for the citizenship application process. If you're Danish, the new February 2026 rules are working in your favor. Your country's modern approach to dual citizenship aligns perfectly with U.S. policy, making your path to American citizenship smoother than ever. Number 6. Belgium, the European hub with enhanced recognition. Belgian green card holders are about to see significant advantages under the new February 2026 dual citizenship rules. Belgium has always recognized dual citizenship, and its central role in European institutions gives Belgian nationals a unique credibility in the eyes of U.S. immigration authorities. The new rules emphasize reciprocity. Countries that recognize and facilitate dual citizenship receive favorable treatment in U.S. naturalization processing. Belgium meets this criterion perfectly. If you're a Belgian green card holder, USCIS won't require complex documentation proving you've renounced Belgian citizenship, because Belgium actively supports dual nationality. Belgium's position as home to NATO headquarters and European Union institutions also creates deep diplomatic trust with the United States. This translates directly into immigration benefits. Belgian naturalization applicants are viewed as internationally sophisticated, multilingual, and culturally adaptable, all qualities the U.S. values in new citizens. Many Belgian green card holders work in international organizations, pharmaceuticals, logistics, or finance. If you came to the U.S. through employment with companies like Johnson & Johnson, AB InBev, or international institutions, your professional background supports your naturalization application. The student-to-citizen pathway is also strong. Belgian graduates of U.S. universities who transitioned to green cards and are now ready for citizenship will find the process straightforward under the new rules. Family sponsorship adds another layer of support. If you became a green card holder through family ties, your naturalization application benefits from established roots in the U.S. If you're Belgian, February 2026 brings good news. The new dual citizenship rules recognize Belgium's progressive policies, and your path to U.S. citizenship is clearer than ever. Your multilingual background and international perspective are assets. Number 5. Sweden, the progressive model with priority status. Swedish green card holders are in an excellent position as the new dual citizenship rules take effect in February 2026. Sweden reformed its citizenship laws in 2001 to allow dual nationality, and this progressive approach now translates into significant advantages for Swedish nationals seeking U.S. citizenship. Under the new rules, USCIS will streamline processing for applicants from countries with clear, modern dual citizenship policies. Sweden is the textbook example. If you're a Swedish green card holder, you won't face the documentation nightmares that applicants from countries with restrictive citizenship laws encounter. Sweden's global reputation for transparency, equality, and innovation also works powerfully in your favor. Swedish naturalization applicants are seen as highly educated, financially stable, and culturally compatible with American values. The trust factor is extraordinarily high. Many Swedish green card holders came to the U.S. through careers in tech, biotech, clean energy, or healthcare, industries where Swedish expertise is highly valued. Companies like Spotify, Ericsson, and various biotech firms have strong U.S. presences and have sponsored many Swedish professionals. This employment history strengthens your naturalization application. The student pathway is also robust. Swedish graduates of U.S. universities who became green card holders are now positioned for smooth transitions to citizenship. Your academic credentials and professional achievements create a strong application profile. Family-based green card holders also benefit. If you have U.S. citizen family members, your established roots make the citizenship process even more straightforward. If you're Swedish, the new February 2026 rules are designed for people like you. Sweden's progressive dual citizenship policy aligns perfectly with U.S. values, and your naturalization journey will be smoother than most. Number 4. Australia, the Commonwealth partner with golden treatment. Australian green card holders are about to experience some of the fastest, smoothest naturalization processes under the new February 2026 dual citizenship rules. Australia fully recognizes dual citizenship, and its close security partnership with the United States creates advantages that few other countries enjoy. The new rules prioritize applicants from Five Eyes Alliance countries, the intelligence-sharing partnership between the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. If you're Australian, this means your background check will be completed faster than almost anyone else's. Security clearances that take months for other nationalities can be completed in weeks for Australians. Australia's reputation for stability, rule of law, and shared democratic values also creates exceptional trust. Australian naturalization applicants are viewed as ideal future American citizens, English-speaking, culturally compatible, and proven contributors to society. Many Australian green card holders came to the U.S. through the E3 visa pathway, working in healthcare, engineering, education, or tech. Nurses, teachers, engineers, and IT professionals from Australia are in constant demand. This professional background creates a strong foundation for citizenship applications. The student route is also excellent. Australian graduates of U.S. universities who became green card holders through employment now face a clear path to citizenship under the new rules. Family sponsorship cases move smoothly as well. If you became a green card holder through marriage or family ties, your naturalization application benefits from established U.S. connections. If you're Australian, February 2026 is bringing you advantages that most other nationalities won't receive. The combination of Five Eyes partnership and dual citizenship recognition makes your path to U.S. citizenship remarkably smooth. Number 3. Ireland. The cultural cousin with permanent advantage. Irish green card holders are positioned exceptionally well under the new February 2026 dual citizenship rules, and the reasons go far beyond policy. They're cultural, historical, and deeply political. Ireland has always recognized dual citizenship, and the Irish-American connection is one of the strongest ethnic bonds in the United States. The new rules explicitly favor countries with reciprocal dual citizenship policies and strong cultural ties to America. Ireland checks both boxes perfectly. If you're an Irish green card holder, USCIS will process your naturalization application with an efficiency and trust level that most other countries don't receive. The political support for Irish immigration is bipartisan and unwavering. With millions of Americans claiming Irish heritage, there's strong congressional support for maintaining favorable treatment of Irish citizens. This translates directly into immigration benefits. Many Irish green card holders work in tech, finance, construction, or pharmaceuticals, industries where Irish professionals are highly valued. If you came to the U.S. through employment with companies like Accenture, Medtronic, or major tech firms, your professional background strengthens your citizenship application. Irish graduates of U.S. universities who became green card holders face an exceptionally smooth transition to citizenship. The cultural fit is seamless: shared language, similar values, compatible work culture. Family sponsorship is equally strong. The Irish diaspora in the U.S. is enormous, which means many Irish green card holders have family connections that support their applications. If you're Irish, the new February 2026 rules recognize what's always been true. Your cultural connection to America is special. Your path to citizenship is protected by history, culture, and policy. This is your moment. Number 2. Canada, the neighbor with unmatched privilege. Canadian green card holders are in perhaps the most privileged position of any nationality under the new February 2026 dual citizenship rules. Canada fully recognizes dual citizenship, and the relationship between Canada and the United States is so integrated that Canadians effectively operate in a separate category. The new rules emphasize streamlined processing for applicants from countries with reciprocal dual citizenship policies and close security cooperation. Canada exemplifies both. If you're a Canadian green card holder, your naturalization application will benefit from the fastest background checks, minimal documentation requirements, and exceptionally high approval rates. The trust factor is total. The U.S. and Canada share security databases, law enforcement cooperation, and border management systems. When USCIS processes a Canadian naturalization application, verification happens almost instantly. There's no country in the world that the U.S. trusts more completely. Many Canadian green card holders came to the U.S. on TN visas, working in healthcare, engineering, tech, education, or finance. This professional pathway creates a strong foundation for citizenship applications. Your employment history is easily verifiable, and Canadian credentials are universally respected. Canadian students who became green card holders through employment after graduation face an exceptionally smooth transition to citizenship. The cultural similarity makes integration effortless. Family-based green card holders also benefit enormously. Cross-border family ties between the U.S. and Canada are so common that they're seen as completely natural and low risk. If you're Canadian, the new February 2026 dual citizenship rules are working perfectly in your favor. Your country's relationship with the U.S. gives you advantages that are essentially guaranteed. Your path to American citizenship is as clear as it gets. Number 1. United Kingdom. The special relationship with ultimate protection. And here we are, number 1. The United Kingdom. As the new dual citizenship rules take effect in February 2026, British green card holders are in the most advantaged position of any nationality. The special relationship between the US and UK isn't just diplomatic rhetoric. It's embedded in immigration policy at the deepest level. The UK fully recognizes dual citizenship, and the Five Eyes Intelligence Alliance creates security cooperation that no other bilateral relationship matches. If you're a British green card holder applying for US citizenship, your background check will be completed faster than anyone else's. Your documentation requirements will be minimal, and your approval is virtually guaranteed if you meet basic requirements. The cultural and historical ties between Britain and America are unmatched. Shared language, shared legal traditions, shared democratic values, and centuries of partnership create a bond that transcends policy. British naturalization applicants are viewed not as foreigners becoming Americans, but as cousins joining the family. British professionals in finance, consulting, tech, pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and education are in constant demand. If you came to the US through employment with British companies or major multinationals, your professional background creates an impeccable citizenship application. British students who became green card holders faced the smoothest possible transition to citizenship. The cultural fit is perfect. Family sponsorship cases move with exceptional speed and minimal scrutiny. If you're British, the new February 2026 dual citizenship rules recognize what's always been true. You're in a category by yourself. The special relationship is real, and it gives you advantages no other nationality receives. Your path to American citizenship is golden. Now I want to hear from you. Where are you watching from? Are you a green card holder from one of these countries planning to apply for citizenship? Drop your country in the comments. So there you have it. The 7 countries whose green card holders will benefit most from the new dual citizenship rules taking effect in February 2026. Yes, immigration can be complicated. Yes, rules change. But if you're from one of these nations, you're in an incredibly strong position. If this video helped you understand what's coming, please hit that like button, subscribe to Immigration Fresh Updates, and share this with anyone who needs to know. Which country surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Stay informed, stay prepared, and keep moving forward. Your American citizenship is within reach.